Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Word, bro. See, this shit damn near melted the fucking what's his name joint. So there gotta be something with the connection and shit right here. I'll get some tools and come back and see what we got. But I'll let that shit cool off. That's crazy. It was good, 18, yo. I be feeling like I can't catch a break, man. I mean, I feel like that, but at the same sense, I can't be mad only because now the realization is kicking in. Let me bring y'all into a loop, or in the loop. Come a little closer. Starter, as you can see, wire, got this shit loose. I need a new one, Mo. Of course, from when I got into that accident at that towing company, from when they towed my car on some BS, y'all remember, like, the whole front of this got smashed in, right? So they needed to replace my starter as one of the things that got messed up in the front end. So with doing that, they definitely got this starter from the junkyard. Even if y'all look at some of my previous footage and y'all look at that sound clip that I put in here, that sound check that was in here, y'all can actually hear that whirring sound. Like, it's not like it's gonna turn the car over, but it's a slow turn, you know what I mean? So I was at the gas station last night, and of course, the time I decided to step out right quick and pick up some supplies, this joint wants to kick the bucket. And as you seen in the other video, shit was melted, man, like melted bad. You see that? So that's how I know this starter is done. Like, shit heated up the electrical to the point this could have almost caused a fire under the hood. So I'm just grateful for catching that, squad. But other than that, the beat is gonna go on. I'm thinking the next plan of movement after the starter, let's get in here and it's time to do this ECU. Let's go. Yeah, team. So we gonna get this starter out of here, man. Like I said, see what's going on. Try and cut this down a little bit more to get the burnt rubber out. But yeah, you can see this joint is done. And this is where I think my problem came to, right here. You can see that's loose. That's a done deal. That's no-go. So put the order in the Rock Auto. New starter, you know, manual transmission. Got to get that manual starter. So when that comes in, I'll show y'all what it is. But, I mean, it's super simple, team. And for me, since I took my battery tray out, getting to this shit is 1, 2, 3, as you can see. 2 bolts is going to be 2 14 millimeters on the one on the top, one on the bottom. And then from that, you're gonna have this 12 over here that connects to the harness. That's pretty much it, team. It's really nothing crazy. So waiting for that part to come in. Once that touches down, we can get that rolling and do the swap-a-roni. You already know. All right, squad, so see, we got starter out, check. 2 14s. Then it's gonna be this 112 here to hold that up. I'll see if I can find a new cap, but yeah, definitely was the starter. This joint finito. So new one coming in, should be in tomorrow, and we'll be right as rain, team. Good to go. You already know, squadron. And boom, like that, we are in business. So new one just showed up. Good looking FedEx. Appreciate y'all with a timely fashion joint. It's like, sheesh. Let's get it. So let's get it up out the box. Let's see how we looking. Alrighty. Party people. Looking identical. I even like the cover over the clip. The cover over the wiring. Very nice. And they got the fresh joint. Yeah, we good to go, squad. Let's load it up. Y'all see, identical. Identical. Let me get it out the bag, though. Let's go. All right, squad. So everything's out of the packaging. You see it comes with a sheet. Let you know how everything checked out. Actually, looking pretty good, honestly. Data sheet is looking good. So should be straight off that. Everything lines up, the exact same thing. Like I said, it's cool. Put a little plastic boot cover over the wiring harness. Check. So let's get this installed. Couple bolts, nothing crazy, and let's get it popping. Literally, team, is that simple. So it's just putting it back in. Get this out the way. 112 up top. See if I can show y'all. There go the other 12 down bottom. And then we'll put, this actually came with a 13, so I switched that up, and we'll connect that back, plug it in, we'll give it a start. But I actually got some Loctite to go for this, where the harness connects to it here, just in case, due to the vibrations or anything, that'll make sure that it's secure. I don't have to like over tighten it, and we should be good to help it resist some of the vibrations from the engine. Let's go. So just finished throwing a little bit of that Loctite on it. Y'all can see the red on it. Just so we got that thread locker, you know what I mean? Lock that into position so we'll be good. Finish tightening everything down. Let's slap it on. This will go here like so. Then we'll come with the wash lock nut. Let's do it. Alright, team, fresh starter in. About to go give this car a start, see what it look like. But I'm thinking I'm definitely gonna order another rubber cover. I'll see how I could do it, but I'll probably just have to take that off right quick. Disconnect the battery just to be on the safe side so I don't short it out. But I'll order another rubber cover for that, so we'll be good. You see that one is burnt up, disformed, and disfigured. So we'll order another one there, but let's go give this joint a start and see how it sounds. Job well done, locked in, everything good, money. Y'all heard the start? We good, baby. Y'all already know. Views VQ, stay locked in.